Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.